Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken minestrone soup. First, chop your favorite vegetables such as carrots, celery, and zucchini into bite-sized pieces. For convenience, use pre-cooked chicken, either shredded or diced. Ensure you have a large can of diced tomatoes and about 8 cups of chicken broth on hand. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious and hearty meal in no time. To begin cooking, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your chopped carrots, celery, and onions, sautéing them until they become tender, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Next, pour in the large can of diced tomatoes and the 8 cups of chicken broth. Bring this mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to a simmer, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Once your soup base is simmering, it's time to add the pasta. Stir in about 1 cup of small pasta, such as ditalini or elbow macaroni. Cook the pasta according to the package instructions until it is al dente, typically around 8 to 10 minutes. In the last few minutes, add your pre-cooked chicken and a generous handful of fresh spinach, letting it wilt into the hot soup. Finally, taste your minestrone and adjust the seasonings with salt, black pepper, and a pinch of dried Italian herbs to your liking. Ladle the warm soup into bowls and garnish with fresh chopped parsley and a sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese for extra flavor. This easy chicken minestrone is perfect for a comforting meal. Remember to check the description for a link to some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks. Enjoy your homemade soup.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.